Hey everyone, ever wonder how businesses figure out the true cost of making a product? Today we are diving into cost accounting, a tool that helps entrepreneurs track where every dollar goes. We will use a t-shirt business as our example. First up, what is cost accounting? It's a system to track, analyze and report cost both direct like material and indirect like utilities. Unlike financial accounting for external report, cost accounting is internal. It answers how much does it cost to make a one t-shirt or where can I cut waste. Here's why it's crucial. First, pricing. Avoid selling at a loss. Second, efficiency. Spot waste. Example, overusing materials. Third, profitability. See which products are worth keeping. Let's dive into type of a cost using a t-shirt business. Direct cost tied to production. Example, fabric, ink. Indirect cost, overhead. Example, utilities, salaries. Fixed cost stay the same. Example, rent. Variable cost change with the production. Example, raw materials. T-shirt business cost. Direct cost $10 fabric plus ink. Indirect cost $20 utilities. Fixed cost $100 for a rent. And variable cost $10 for materials. Imagine you run a t-shirt business. Every month you spend $10 on fabric and ink and $20 on utilities. Your workshop rent is $100 per month. If you make 50 t-shirt, material cost 0.20 per shirt. Utilities 0.40 per shirt. $20 divided by 50. Rent $2 per shirt. $100 divided by 50. Total cost per shirt $2.60. If you sell each shirt for $5, you make a $2.40 profit. Cost accounting helps you price fairly. Now, how does cost accounting works? Businesses use three main methods. First, job costing. Track cost for a specific projects. Example, a custom t-shirt order for a school event. You tally cost for material, labor and packaging for that order. Second, process costing. Used for mass produced goods. Example, a factory producing 1000 shirts. Costs are averaged across all units. Third, standard costing. Sets a budgeted cost for materials, labor and overheads. Example, you budget $5 per shirt. If the actual cost hit $6, you investigate the $1 variance. Here's the process. First, identify cost. List direct, indirect, fixed and variable costs. Second, allocate cost. Assign cost to products. Example, rent split by production. Third, analyze variances. Compare actual cost versus budgeted cost. Example, if a fabric costs $10 but you spend $15, investigate the $5 overspend. Let's do quick math. First, standard cost $2.5 per shirt. Second, actual cost $3 per shirt. Third, the variance 0.5 per shirt. Multiply by 100 shirts. $50 loss. Cost accounting flex this so you can fix it like renegotiating supplier prices. Bottom line, cost accounting helps you set up fair prices, avoid undercharging. Second, cut waste, spot inefficiencies. Make a data-driven decision which products to keep and kill. Whether you are a custom t-shirt shop or a factory, cost accounting is your secret weapon. Start small, track a direct and indirect cost, then experiment with job or process costing. Tools like Excel or QuickBook can help you. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment what's one cost you would love to track better in your business. And hit subscribe for more money smart tips.